Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to convert binary numbers to hexadecimal. Without further ado, let us start the video. So for this tutorial, the number that we will be using is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 111, 0, 1, 0, 1. Base 2, starting from the right hand side, divide the numbers into groups of 4 digits and then convert each group into a hexadecimal value. The reason why this works is because 4 binary digits represent the range of the values from 0 to 15, all the hexadecimal digits. So we can now take this number, divide into 4 groups of 4 numbers, 0, 1, 0, 1, and then 1, 0, 1, 111, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. And now go back to the previous tutorials, use the grid we had, the power of 2, two to the power of 0 is 1, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and 2 to the power of 3 gives us 8. Keep that in mind always. 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 gives us a value of 5. Another thing to note when it comes to working with bigger numbers, always write 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 on the left-hand side of your page, which is the decimal value. Converting this to hexadecimal, we know 10 equals A, and then B, C, D, E, F, and then it goes back to 10. So now we see 1, 0, 1, 1, which is 8, 2, and 1 gives us the value 11, but in hexadecimal is B. 1, 1, 0, or 111, and 0 gives us 8, 4, which is 12, and 14, which is E. And then 1 plus 1, which is 8, plus 1 is 9. And then the final value added up, 5, B, E, 9, with a base of 16. So we went from converting binary numbers to hexadecimal. How did we do that? Divide the numbers into 4 groups of digits and then convert each group into a hexadecimal value. Remember this grid, power of 2s, and the ASCII table, which allows us to convert, and this is the final value. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.